Korean red ginseng, also known as red Panax ginseng, is one of the best-selling products in herbal medicine. This precious traditional medicine has a long history of use in Far East Asia, where it is considered an essential herbal medicine. The ginseng root is commonly used as an adaptogen because it is said to have the ability to normalize body processes and strengthen mechanisms that have been weakened by stress. But what are the health benefits of Korean red ginseng, and how should it be prepared and taken? Let's find out. Ginseng has been used in Chinese traditional medicine for centuries. Depending on how long it has been grown, this slow-growing, short plant with fleshy roots can be categorized as virgin, white, or red. Fresh ginseng is harvested before the age of 4, while white ginseng is harvested between the ages of 4 and 6, and red ginseng is harvested after the age of 6 or more. Here are some of the health effects of Korean red ginseng that have been widely used for: enhancing physical capacity or performance in cases of physical stress, promoting healthy glucose levels, supporting cognitive function and/or reduce mental fatigue, as an adaptogen to help increase energy and resistance to stress, boosting immune systems. Potential health benefits shown in recent studies. Recent research has shown that Korean red ginseng has a variety of biochemical and pharmacological activity. Some clinical studies indicated that Korean red ginseng could be effective in the treatment of erectile dysfunction in men and improve sexual functioning in women. Ginseng could potentially prevent cancer. The mainly pharmacologically active ingredients of ginseng, called ginsenosides, have been shown to inhibit tumor proliferation. Korean red ginseng has been found to bring many benefits for cancer patients, including fatigue improvement and immunity enhancement. Other studies indicated that Korean red ginseng shows anti-diabetic and anti-hypertensive activities. So how should Korean red ginseng be taken? Korean red ginseng is usually powdered from dried roots and taken orally as a substitute. While a tincture, fluid extract, decoction, and tea form are available, most clinical research studies use ginseng in powdered/supplement form. The recommended usage for non-standardized extract is 0.5 to 9 grams dried root/rootlets per day. The standardized extract usually contains 4 to 7% total ginsenosides and shall be reduced to 200 to 600 milligrams of extract per day. Korean red ginseng is likely safe to use, and there are no known serious side effects. The most frequent adverse effect is difficulty sleeping, insomnia. However, some possible side effects include menstrual complications, elevated pulse rate, high or low blood pressure, headache, diarrhea, itching, acne, and mood swings. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, have diabetes, or taking medication, you should consult a healthcare professional before taking Korean red ginseng. So there you have it, everything you need to know about Korean red ginseng, from its history and potential health benefits to dosage and preparations, possible side effects, cautions and warnings, and common questions. Common questions about Korean red ginseng. Korean red ginseng is a highly sought-after supplement for its many health benefits, but there are some common questions people have about it. The first question people often ask is, which is better, American ginseng or Korean red ginseng? American ginseng and Panax ginseng, which includes Korean red ginseng, belong to the same genus. However, they come from different parts of the world. Korean red ginseng is Panax ginseng that has been steamed at high temperatures and dried. This process increases the rare ginsenoside content, including Rg3 and Rg5. While American ginseng and Korean red ginseng cannot be compared directly, it is the ginsenoside content that matters. Korean red ginseng typically contains higher amounts of ginsenosides, making it stronger than American white ginseng. The next question people often ask is, what are the ginsenoside components of Korean red ginseng? Panax ginseng naturally contains ginsenosides like RG1, Re, RB1, RC, RB2, and Rhode. When steamed and processed to produce rare ginsenosides, these naturally occurring ginsenosides are converted into rare ginsenosides like RG3, RH1, RG5, and F4. These rare ginsenosides are more bioactive and stronger, and have greater health benefits than naturally occurring ginsenosides. Another question is, are there any Panax red ginseng supplement containing a high level of rare ginsenosides? Panax Korean red ginseng extract is of higher quality compared to fresh ginseng or white ginseng. This is because red ginseng has an increased rare ginsenosides RG3 content after the heating and steaming process. Even though rare ginsenoside RG3 is dominant in the ginsenosides profile of red ginseng, the rare ginsenosides content in the total red ginseng extract is still low. Rare ginsenosides are super bioactive and potent, which are what we want for maximal health benefits. However, the extraction and transformation of rare ginsenosides involve a variety of proprietary technologies, and only a few companies own these innovative technologies to produce rare ginsenosides in mass products. This is why we can hardly find rare ginsenoside brands. Redsenol is an outstanding rare ginsenoside brand featuring a high amount of rare ginsenosides. Redsenol goes much further in the ginsenoside research, and the Redsenol research team grasps core technologies to convert naturally occurring ginsenosides into rare ginsenosides. Redsenol contains 16 types of rare ginsenosides. These rare ginsenosides, including RH3, RK1, RK2, RK3, APPD, APPT, etc., are far more potent than prototype ginsenosides. Incredibly, the rare ginsenosides content in Redsenol-1 Noble Ginsenosides capsules reaches 20%, and each capsule contains 60 milligrams of rare ginsenosides. Korean red ginseng is a steamed Panax ginseng containing rich ginsenoside RG3. Ginsenosides are responsible for a variety of health benefits of ginseng, and RG3-rich Korean red ginseng, or red Panax ginseng, is commonly high quality due to the presence of rich ginsenoside RG3.